Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create free Squarespace website. So first, you just have to go to your Squarespace. You have to log in and you should see this create website right here. This one is for free. You have to tap on the button and it will take you directly to this. Squarespace will ask you what type of website you want to create here. So you just have to select from any of the option below. So let's say real estate and properties, tap on next, and then Squarespace will ask again, what do you want to do with your website? You just have to select the services that you want to offer. And then once you're done, then what you're going to do is tap on the next button below. After that, Squarespace will ask you how do you want to build your website. You can ask a help from AI. But as a beginner, I strongly suggest to select the second one and then just use from any of their free template. There are tons of templates here, and they will show you templates according to what services you offer. Okay, so this is the best design for your website. All you have to do is select that specific template that you want to design, you want to add elements and blocks. So you can start with this design. You can select the color right here. Everything is up to you. And then once done, then you can proceed with start with this design. Wait for a couple of seconds and here it is. The first thing you should see here is the header. And in order for you to edit this, just tap on the header section. You can add the name of your website. For example, the name of your real estate property website. You can add it right here. And if you have your company logo or business logo, you just have to click this circle icon and upload the file from your computer. If you don't know how to create one, I strongly suggest to try Canva to create or make a logo for your website. Now you can also adjust everything here. You can add elements and blocks if you want. Now, this is what it looks like if you want to edit the sign. You can just tap the edit design and then you can change the color, opacity, the height, the width, everything here. So all you have to do is to select that specific section and you should see edit design. All you have to do is to edit your template right here. If you have your existing pictures, or let's just say if you have your company logo and pictures, make sure that they're all ready to upload. Also, you can add elements such as button, cards, and so on. All you have to do is to toggle this to add these elements to your template. Now you can change the text size, the color of text, the background. You can add blocks also. For example, if you want to add forms, if you want to add images, if you want to embed a video, for example, if you have your YouTube channel or if you have your other site, then basically you just have to click add block and then paste the URL right here or add other blocks if you want to. So basically, this is just the basic way and how to create free Squarespace website. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.